Hi, hello mabuhay for today. Sorry, medyo maingay because like we are going to Batangas City kasi wala lang magsiswimming. This is very spontaneous because like kagabi lang sinabi sa amin na pupunta kami ng Batangas. Tapos ayun, kinaumagahan, larga na. So, let's go. Sasama ko to.
Dito nag-vlog si Kaya. Wala akong kilay.
Time check. It's 1:24.
Check location.
We don't know. We don't know where we are, but we stopped over.
Nakita ko, welcome to Nasugbu.
Batangas na to. Ayun o, nasugbu. We're at Nasugbu na. Tayo ay nag-stop over para kumain kasi it's 1:30 na. I don't know if you guys can hear me. And sa Walter Mart. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Let's go. Kakain muna po tayo.
Wala pang lunch.
Pero malapit na tayo.
Malapit po, Nasugbu na to.
Nasugbu. We're at Nasugbu. And saan tayo matapos? Yes. So,
Ito sa'yo.
why are you eating too much? Kain na.
Mag-bike lang kami papunta sa Ligay.
Okay, nakapag-lunch na tayo. Saan na tayo next? Rekta na to. Okay, wala nang isang oras pa kayo dito. So, lalarga na tayo. Rekta na to. Pwede na ako mag-thirst na.
Kinji Palew.
Yay! We're back.
Naman siya. Akin na yan.
And finally, we arrived. We are here sa lugar natin. Go to the...
Dagat!
Let's go to the shore. Let's go. Hala, nakakamiss.
After ilang biyahe to? Kailan ka ba di nakapunta?
Uy, hala, ang ganda ng dagat ngayon. May wave! Oh my gosh!
Low tide, guys.
May wave, may low tide.
May low tide.
May low tide.
It's low tide and may waves.
May
Ganda,
waves.
oh.
Oh my freaking gosh. The beautiful ocean.
Ocean daw.
Bakit?
It's a sea.
It's a sea?
Yes.
Talaga, yung view na to, nakakamiss. I think, sobrang tagal na akong hindi nakapunta dito. So, ayan, nakakamiss talaga. Dito na tayo. Oh my God.
Hindi, di ba tayo?
Ang init! Sana hindi tayo masunog, guys. Hindi tayo magpapakasunog kasi naiwan ko. Or kaya, wala akong dalang sunblock. So, yes. Ang ganda. Footprints in the sand. Uy! Table. Gamit ang mga puno. Wow. Uy, wait lang. Yung phone ko
Jump shot.
Uy, sorry. Usually, like complete family tayo pumupunta dito, di ba?
Oh.
Pero this time, wala. Kulang. Like kami lang yung main fam. And then, ayun, yung iba nasa Iloilo, yung iba nasa Bicol.
Sa Bicol, Iloilo, nasa langit.
Uy, may ganon. Hindi kasi, yung tita namin, wala na siya dito.
Uy, hindi ka
Diba sobrang tagal na natin dito, like, batang-bata pa tayo. Dito na talaga tayo pumunta.
Pinapanganak talaga.
Oo. Maulit mag Fortune Island kasi like yung island na ayun lang
Oo.
yun. Fortune Island, sobrang layo. Pero like, 1 hour. Oh, ayun yun. 1 hour yun. Oo, ayun yun. Yung mga structures doon parang Greek.
Oo.
Greek kineme.
Kala
Tapos
ko
white sand siya.
Nakakapunta tayo doon. Like,
Diba? Speedboat lang 1 hour yung biyahe. Yes. So, tambay muna tayo kasi ang init pa. Tirik pa rin ang araw.
ay,
At may isang maliligo na po. Ayan.
Say hi. Girl, ang init. Girl,
Ang init pa. Ganda ng background. Parang 3D. Alam mo yung sa Zoom?
Oo, gagi.
Pag nasa Zoom call.
Yes,
Good morning everyone. Real po siya. Real. Balik muna tayo kasi masyadong mainit to. Ito muna tayo. Tatambay. Tamo, nagta-thirst trap ako. May ganito sa likod.
Di ba?
Ako rin kasi chocolate lang yung
Chocolate
gusto
lang
ko na.
kinakain ko.
Tapos, sarap pala yung mango nung natikman.
Gagi, masarap yung ube.
Ay, oo, yung ubi. Masarap din yung ubi. Sponsor po us, Opa. Ang sarap!
So sweet!
Mango eh. Mango.
Sweet and shower.
Time check.
Time check.
4:24.
4 and maliligo na.
Maliligo na po kami. Magbibihis muna kami. So,
Transition.
bye! Kala mo talaga.
Liligo na.
Maliligo na. So, let's go! Hindi na maaraw. So, let's go swim. Ganda ang ganda ng araw. Hello, sun-kissed. Let's go, sun-kissed. Woo!
Overlap, ay, ang ganda pa yun.
Diba? Balik ko lang tong phone and then pupunta na po kami doon kasi ayoko naman dalhin tong phone na to. Baka mabitawat ko. So, see you guys later, guys. So, see you guys later. Tapos lang namin maligo. And it's currently 6:02. It was so fun. Hindi ko alam kung anong kainin namin for dinner. But, hindi pa naman ako masyadong gutom. So, yeah. Alam ko na wala talagang signal dito and wala nga talaga siyang signal. Doon lang banda sa my shore. So I made sure na mag-download ng mga series and animes and I did. Currently watching 25-21 K-drama and it's so good. I'm like episode 11. People keep on commenting that I should watch 25-21 ba yan? 25-21. And I currently am. And it's so good so far. Episode, ano na ba ako? 12? I think so. And ang ganda talaga niya. Ang pogi pa ng bida. So I also downloaded a few manhwas for me to reread and to read. Para hindi boring. So, yeah. It's dinner time. Dito tayo kakain. So, let's go.
So guys, ito yung pinsan. Ito yung kapatid niyang pangit. Si Kenji
Hindi
Punzo.
naman nakikita eh.
Tapos, ito siya. Siya yung vlogger.
Hindi ako vlogger. Kami ay papunta sa my shore at sobrang dilim ng nilalakaran natin. Wala akong makita. Kapag pinatay ko to, wala kayong makikita. Di ba? Kasi walang signal doon. So kailangan natin mag-signal kasi mag-genshin pa ako. Nakalimutan ko mag-genshin
Genshin
kanina. I don't know if you guys can hear it. But yung wave ang lakas. Nag-genshin na po tayo. Success! I'm not sure if you guys can see me, but yeah. Katatapos lang namin mag-picture-picture dito. We tried the night mode in this phone, and it turned out great. Oh baby, look what you're starting. The temperature's rising and is this gonna happen? Katatapos ko lang kasi mag-thirst trap, kaya napakanta ko ng gano'n. But anyway, I think it's time to go back to like the house. Bye. See you there. Hi guys, it's currently 8:41 and matutulog na tayo. Yo. See you tomorrow. Bye. 6, 7! Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. Time check, it's 5:51. I really woke up very early to witness the sunrise. Just listen how loud the waves are. Just look at the waves. Also, the star there. I don't know if that's Venus. Yep. Why did I not think of this? I don't even know if I can see it here. It's like the sunset is there and the sunrise is supposed to go there. So I'm not sure if I can see the sunrise. But I'm hoping like for the experience. Since wala yung sunrise, maglalakad na lang tayo. May volleyball net. Yung sunrise kasi nandun. Yun yung sunrise. Dun o. Yun siya banda. Eh, wala dito. It's just the blue skies. And the sea. Ang ganda ng mga wave. Wow. Hi guys. It's day 2 here. And wala na. Nang picture lang ako dito and I didn't expect this tripod to be very useful kasi ang mura lang nito. Parang 100 plus ko lang to nabili on TikTok, pero like it's very useful for me. So as you can see, ang ganda ng view. Ganda ng view natin. This is the best view though. What the Right. Right. This is the best view. What are you talking about? This is nothing. This is nothing compared to this.
This bitch!
But yeah. Oh. Love it. I always love the view here. Yeah, lagi ko namimiss ako. Okay, kanina. Today, at December 28, 2025, I saw the episode as spoiler of the episode 7 of Me and the End. Oh my gosh. Gusto ko na siya panoorin. But like, I don't have any data right now. Can you just please, I know, alam ko, nararamdaman ko. Alam ko, ganun talaga yung Me and the episode 7. Pero like, I'm just currently rereading Positively Yours. This is one of my favorite manhwa, romance manhwa. Yeah, I'm rereading it kasi I have it as my downloads. So, yeah, gusto ko na panoorin yung episode 7 talaga. Me and me. So, dyan lang kayo. Slow tide. Wow. But, breakfast first. Kain na raw! This is the food. Wow.
Si Tom, GC, napisa si Princess.
Guys, tignan nyo naman. Sobrang, hindi naman sobra. Like, low tide ngayon and it's, ang layo ng tubig. Tignan nyo. So, ayan. Dati, dyan lang yan. Hanggang dyan. But like, now yung tubig is nandun na siya. Oh my God. Nandun na siya. Ayun o, ang layo. I am now walking towards them. Kasi hindi ako lumangoy. Hindi ako nag-swimming ngayon kasi napakainit. Sobrang init. Let's go. I'm going back. It's too hot. It's too hot. Paano pa kaya mamayang 12? Hi! Hello! Hi!
Luto ka ako!
Wala nang ipin yan eh. Kaya nakabantay sa'yo, Ken.
Lulunukin ka na niyan. Let's go! Ngayon, maglalakad-lakad na tayo.
Dami ng tao dun oh. Where? Ooh! Puti oh! Si Bukak!
natin.
Ito tayo mamaya.
Woo!
Bonfire.
Parang excited na ako. So hot, guys. Wow! Vlog ko na. Guys, it's so
Vlog
hot.
takeover.
Belingon, be. Para bang turista sila. Aray ko!
Kaya pa ako maliligo, ang init pa. Ito nasunog na. Nasunog ka na. Ito na, Shell. Kain na tayo ng bibingka. Wow.
Biko. O diba? Simpa tsaka Biko.
Magsiswimming na po kami. Tayo. 1, 2, 3, go! Swimming time! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. They have decided to go to that tree, which is yung andon sa dulo. We're going there. Sa puno.
Lunchtime はサンドイッチパーティー2つはもちろんジャムとチーズテーブルの
Ito na kami. Kanina pa kami nag-picture-picture dito. Look at the sun. Oh my gosh! What? Ang ganda. And ayun. Babalik na kami to swim. I'm back. And outfit check. All white. Naka-all white ako. So yeah. I'm back. Tapos na po kami mag-swimming. And it's night time. Later, we're going to have a dinner. So I don't know what for dinner, but I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Anyway, I'm just gonna use my phone for a while. So, Johnny, we gonna eat. Wow. Sinigang and pinak. Okay, done with the dinner. Now it's bonfire time. Bonfire! Ah, nasusunog na ako. I can feel it. I can feel it. It's so warm. Can you guys hear the waters?
デスクの上は往復ピンタそんな時でも
Yes!
Ano maganda?
Wow. Para na tayong baked potatoes.
Woo! Hindi bake. Ano ka, be?
Bake.
Bake marshmallow.
Grabe, ang init to.
Oh my God.
Playtime's over. Wala na yung bonfire and then we're going back. Let's go.
Hi.
Matutulog na po tayo.
Kasi wala na
Matutulog na tayo kasi wala na akong signal. Wala akong wifi.
So guys,
So
bye-bye.
guys, bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Happy birthday.
No. Hi guys. I'm feeling. But it's our third day here in Batangas. And we are going home later. I don't know if magsiswimming pa ako, but I think I'll not swim later. I'll just take a shower or maybe not. I think hindi na ako maliligo. So, yeah. For now, I'm just chilling here watching the episode 7 of D&D and so far, really so good and really funny. Breakfast. Inantay daw nila ako para i-video yung food. Yes. Food. Sinangag. And then, spam. And then, egg.
Kain po.
Hello. Tapos na po tayo kumain. Since I will not be swimming, pupuntahan ko na lang sila doon. Kasi sobrang low tide naman ngayon. So, let's go. Alam mo, hanggang dyan yung tubig. Pero low tide ngayon. So, nakakalakad ako. Eh, nandun yung tubig. Yung tubig dito is mababaw, and then lalalim, and then bababaw. Pag ganon siya. Wow, hindi yun ng tubig. Let's go. Look at that view. Wow. Know why? Pero mas maraming tao ngayon dito. Is it because it's December? Parang daming tao ngayon. Pero usually, parang kami lang yung tao dito pag pumupunta kami. But I guess, since it's Christmas break, nandito rin sila. Don't wanna go too deep kasi malaki ang wave. So I'm just here. What the heck? Yung ako natatakot ako baka mahulog yung phone ko. Update. Naka-shower na po ako. Hindi na ako swimming. Cause paalis na kami. And we're done having our lunch now. We are about to go out and go home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you guys want to see more of my videos. So, thank you. Bye.
パンツ姿ビジネスマンも驚くね